Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Growing with Your Child. Today we are going to be talking about the second part of teaching children independence between ages 0 to 5. In our last video, we talked about ages 0 to 1 and ages 1 to 2. The third age group we will be talking about is ages 2 to 3. Growing confidence and independence at this age, children want control, routine, and responsibility, even though they still need guidance. What independence looks like. Insisting on doing tasks alone, strong opinions and frequent no, copying adults and older children, beginning to follow simple rules. At this age, as a parent, guardian, or caregiver, you pay attention to what they hear and watch always. At this stage, get to understand the difference between healthy development and bad behavior. How to encourage independence. Number 1, let them do daily tasks. Invite them to put toys away, help dress themselves, carry small items, help set the table, safe items, give time. Rushing reduces learning. Number 2, encourage self-care skills. Support things like washing hands with less help, using the toilet or potty, feeding themselves fully, brushing teeth with supervision. And remember, celebrate effort, not perfection. Number 3, give clear, simple choices. Choices help them feel in control. Ask them things like, do you want to clean up now or in 2 minutes? Do you want to wear your sandals or shoes? Avoid open-ended choices that overwhelm them. Number 4, create predictable routines. Routines help children act independently. Have routines like morning routine, playtime, cleanup, bath, bedtime, screen time, and so on. When they know what comes next, they cooperate more. Number 5, encourage problem solving. Instead of fixing things, ask questions like, what can we do? Let's try together. This builds thinking and confidence. Number 6, support emotional independence. Name emotions. You're angry and sad or frustrated. Teach calm down tools like deep breaths, quiet corner. Always try to stay calm during tantrums. A regulated child becomes an independent child. What to avoid? Power struggles, because when it comes to toddlers, they will test your patience and your ability to give in. Avoid shaming or yelling, doing everything for them. Avoid expecting adult-level behavior. The fourth stage we will be talking about is ages 3 to 4. Building responsibility and confidence. At this age, children are more verbal, curious, and eager to learn and help. They want to feel trusted and capable. What independence looks like. Dressing with little help. Expressing needs and feelings with words. Wanting responsibilities, asking lots of why questions, playing independently for short periods. How to encourage independence. Number 1, give real responsibilities, let them. Tidy up toys, make their bed, simple, help with safe chores, wiping tables, watering plants. Use phrases like, you're responsible for this. Number 2, support self-care skills, encourage dressing and undressing using the toilet. The independently, washing hands properly, brushing teeth with supervision, always let them try first before stepping in. Number 3, encourage independent thinking. Ask questions instead of giving answers. Questions like, what do you think will happen? How can we fix this? This builds problem-solving skills. Number 4, teach emotional independence. Help them name feelings, happy, sad, angry, frustrated. Learn calming strategies, deep breaths, quiet space. Express feelings with words, not actions. Emotional skills equals life skills. Number 5, allow independent play. Set up safe play areas, encourage imagination and creativity, avoid constant direction. Independent play builds focus and confidence. Number 6, use positive guidance, not control. Set clear rules and boundaries. Explain why rules exist. Praise and reward effort, honesty and kindness. What to avoid? Overcorrecting small mistakes, doing tasks they can do themselves, expecting perfection, comparing them to others. Children become independent when adults step back, but stay emotionally available. Lastly, let's talk about ages 4 to 5. Social and life skills. At this age, children are becoming more confident, responsible, and socially aware. Independence now includes decision-making, self-control, and accountability. What independence looks like includes dressing themselves completely, managing basic hygiene with reminders, following routines and simple rules, expressing feelings clearly, playing cooperatively and independently, solving small problems on their own. How to encourage independence. Number 1, assign regular responsibilities. Give age-appropriate duties like making their bed, packing toys away, helping set or clear the table, feeding a pet with supervision. Be consistent because consistency builds responsibility. Number 2, encourage decision making. Let them make safe choices like choosing clothes, picking a snack from options, deciding play activities, talk through choices and outcomes. Number 3, support self-management skills. Teach them things like use the toilet independently, wash hands without reminders, brush teeth properly, manage belongings, bags, shoes, water bottle. Number 4, teach them problem solving and accountability. When mistakes happen, ask, what can we do to fix this? Encourage taking responsibility, especially when they are wrong. Praise honesty and effort. Remember, mistakes are learning moments. Number 5, build emotional and social independence. Help them manage emotions calmly, use words instead of aggression, respect boundaries, work through conflicts with guidance. Social skills are part of independence. Number 6, encourage confidence, not perfection. Praise effort and persistence. Avoid rescuing too quickly. Allow safe failures. Remember, confidence grows when children feel trusted. What to avoid: over-supervising, criticizing mistakes, comparing to other children, expecting adult behavior. Finally, these are just guidelines to help you navigate and understand your child's behavior. They are not rigid. Every child is unique and every child grows at their own pace. So if your child is either slow or faster on any of the development stage, patience is key. For slower development, seek professional advice to get a clearer understanding. You should also know that you don't have to do this perfectly. Independence is built through repair, not flawlessness. If you miss a cue, respond lovingly. Always remember, when it comes to children, it's a magical world and every moment is magical.